All right, class, pull out your notes. It's time to review for the test.
Any student who hears this is already bored out of their mind. Teachers, stop this. Lay aside this mind-numbing boredom and Kahoot it. Kahoot is a free program that teachers can use to keep kids entertained and learning. Pit all your students head-to-head to see who can answer the most questions correctly. It's easy, free, and we have a mobile app. Just create an account and create your own Kahoot with any questions you want them to review. Students will have to answer your questions by clicking the correct shape on their own device. A correct answer will earn points based on how fast you get it. You can also discover and look through the thousands of Kahoots others have created. It's exciting, it's learning, it's every teacher's dream. Don't be teaching the class that everyone dreads. Kahoot it!